Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. We are here today for a very exciting and interesting video. When I edited this video, it goes through a lot of twists and turns that I totally forgot while I was filming them. Because today we are going to be trying the Revlon One-Step Volumizing Brush. I'm sure you guys have heard about it. It's the blow dryer slash straightener brush. It's supposed to give you at-home blowouts. And I really wanted to test it on my hair because my hair is pretty thick and curly, and I was curious how it would go. So obviously, as you can see, my hair is straight, but we go through quite a journey, you guys. I'm just gonna leave it at that though and let you guys watch the video and just come along on this journey with me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright friends, we are out of the shower now, just washed my hair. I washed it the way that my hairdresser does it before she does my blowouts, which is just like only shampoo and conditioner, no hair mask, and I try to avoid the conditioner near the top of my roots. That's just what she does, so I'm literally just copying her. And I'm just pulling some of this moisture out of my hair, that way it's not like too intense. These front parts of my hair dry like instantly. They cannot hold moisture, so we're probably gonna have to wet those down again. So this is what we're using here, the Revlon One-Step Blow Dryer Brush. I'm very intrigued, that is for sure. So I'm just gonna start by making sure that there are no knots in my hair. There shouldn't be because I got them all out in the shower, but you never know. Sometimes some will just come back in. Beautiful. Okay, just doing that with my Denman brush. This is literally the only brush that touches my hair. Until now, I guess. I have no idea how to even begin using this. It's gonna be an interesting time. Obviously watched a couple of videos, but I don't really know. So in my hair, I'm gonna put a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to start. Next, I'm gonna put a little Olaplex in my hair. I don't have any blow dry cream, unfortunately, but we're just gonna roll with what we got here. All through my hair, especially at the bottoms. This is the Olaplex number 6, yeah, the Bond Smoother. Okay, and now obviously we're gonna be using heat protectant as well. I have the Chi Iron Guard, been using this literally forever. This is a brand new one, so we gotta get it going. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to spray as I section my hair. So I'm just gonna start with this top section. Just twist that up and give it a little clip. Now this next part gets a spray. And now we just have this nice small bottom section, which also needs a spray. I do not know. I don't even know where to start, you guys. I'm nervous. So this has like a couple different heat settings. We have cool, low, and high. I did a little bit of research for curly hair. A lot of people say to use high, so that's what I'm gonna do. When I use, a straightening iron, I always set it to the highest setting. It just is what works best on my hair since it is so curly. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm not totally convinced that this will straighten like my whole hair without needing any touch-ups. I imagine that I'll probably have to go in with just a straight iron and just fix up any little bumps, but we're gonna see what happens here. Should we just give it a go? Okay, I'm nervous. Okay, first impression here. My hair is pretty much dry at this point. Definitely still has, as you can see, some curl going. So maybe give it a spray. I have my spray bottle ready to go here, just so I can like wet down my hair again. Oh my God, whoa. It was just friggin' spraying. Did I get my camera? I think we're okay, all right. But yeah, I think this probably solidifies what I was saying. Probably won't completely straighten my hair on its own, but it's a good place to start. So anyway, let's give it a go. So bad. I feel like I was getting the hang of it more at the end there, like maybe it'll be easier. Here the roots looks pretty good. I think we're gonna leave it at that and move on to the other side. Oh, my hair is getting so long. I'm all for it. Okay, that side went so much faster, so I definitely think it was just a little bit of a learning curve. I feel like that looks pretty good, right? It feels really soft. And we're on to the next section. I'm gonna start with this in the back here, move our way around. Oh, it's getting hot here. I'm gonna have to crack this door, y'all. I might just have to leave this door open even though it sort of messes with the lighting, but it's just so hot, you guys. So the question is, do I wet this down again or do I keep going? Let's see what happens if I just keep going. Okay, I've cooled down a little so we have the good lighting back for a second. By far my fastest section, and I think it's looking pretty good. I do think I'm gonna want to run an iron over it, especially near my roots, just to get like the tiny little bits there. Okay, here is the update. Definitely can see like it's not frizzy, but it's not like 100% perfectly smooth either, which again will definitely be solved by using an iron on it. Oh my god, oh okay. Making a mess. I'm going to put a little bit more Olaplex through just because I think that that will help as well. Just getting a little product in there. I think I'm going to put it on low. Just brush through here. I cannot believe my hair feels so much thinner when it's straight. It actually blows my mind. It's unbelievable because my hair is thick. I wonder how long we've been doing this for. Let me check. I think I started filming about a half hour ago. How do people like turn this on? Like, I wish there was a button more than like a twist. Okay, so this is not perfect, but I am gonna leave it as is on this side because I am gonna go in with the iron, so I'd rather not waste heat on my hair when I'm just gonna go in with an iron anyway. So this is like basically it done on one side. It's okay. I'm gonna share all of my thoughts once I'm out of this hellhole that is this bathroom because I'm sweating so much. So I'm gonna go finish up this side of my hair, check back in with you guys. So we're gonna talk in a second, but first I'm gonna put a little hair oil in my hair just to sort of finish it off. This is the one from Bread Beauty, which I am totally freaking obsessed with. Alrighty, you guys, let's go talk. So let's talk about this. First, let me just show you, this is the way that my hair looked when I was totally done with the Revlon blow dry brush and hadn't used an iron on it yet. As you can see, pretty poofy, sort of frizzy looking, just not really the way that I want it to look. Now, do I think that I could have spent more time with that brush, gone back in, really worked on smoothing it out so that it would have looked better? Yeah, I do think so, but it reached a point where I was like, you know what, I'm applying so much extra heat to my hair with this, when I'm probably gonna have to go in with an iron anyway, that like I'd rather just stop and go in with the iron. I just had sort of reached my breaking point with that. Do I feel like it saved me time? A little bit, maybe like a difference of 15 minutes between if I were to just go in with my iron or use that brush. The difference there is that I would have to wait for my hair to dry, but I'm not a blow dryer gal. Never really used a blow dryer on my hair consistently before, so that doesn't really factor in for me. It's more about like how quickly can I get my hair from this state to this state, which is just curly to straight, not like wet and curly to dry and straight. That's not as relevant for me personally. So like, yeah, if I had to blow dry my hair first and then go in with the iron, it definitely would have saved me time. All in all, this took me about 45-ish minutes. Straightening my hair usually takes me about an hour. But again, like even after going in with the iron, this is not exactly the way that I like my straight hair to look. Feel like it looks better when I just use the iron on it. I had to use just as many sections on my hair, so that wasn't necessarily easier. I also burnt myself multiple times, especially pretty badly on this finger. I think I'm gonna have a blister there, so that was not great. Of course, that's user error. You can burn yourself on any hot tool, but you know, I just think it's worth mentioning because I don't burn myself a ton when I'm straightening my hair, so yeah, that did make a difference to me. And just all in all, I was like, I'm just not obsessed with this. Really easy to use, it's really intuitive, but I do think the only way that I would use it is if I did have to wash my hair and have it blow dried straight in a fast turnaround. Otherwise, it's just not worth it for me. I'm just gonna let my hair dry and then straighten it. Now, in fairness, that is a volumizing tool. It says it right on the box. For me, I don't really need a whole lot of help with volume. It is just the natural volume is there. In fact, I'm usually trying to take some of that volume down when I'm straightening my hair. So that probably factors into. I just think overall, it's just not really the tool for me. It doesn't make a lot of sense for me personally. My hair does feel like soft, but really no different than when I just use my iron on it. So like, yeah, these end results look good. I'm a fan, but all in all, did it like make a huge difference in my life? Am I going to reach for that every time I want to straighten my hair? No. In fact, most of the time I will not reach for it. So before this video ends, you guys, I did just want to pop in really quickly to show you my hair a couple hours later, because not good. Legitimately 4 hours after I did my hair, it was not looking good. I've had it up in a ponytail, so I'm sure it'll look a little weird because of that, but I mean, like, you can see how huge and frizzy all of these crimps coming back in here. I mean, seriously did not hold for like half a day, and my hair typically is very good at holding styling. That's not an issue that I have, so yeah, it's not happening. Very disappointed in these results. But anyway, just sort of wanted to pop in and give you that update, and now you guys can go back and watch the end of that video. So that's sort of just my like honest opinion on this, you guys. It just sort of was okay. I'd maybe give it like a 6 out of 10. I do think that this would work really well on people who have slightly less curly hair than mine, like more wavy or just like less intense curls, less frizzy curls. Also people who have thinner hair. My hair is just naturally so thick that definitely added a layer to it. I watched this video of this girl who had sort of wavy curly hair. She didn't even have to put sections in her hair. She just like pulled it through. It took her 10 minutes to do her whole head. That makes sense to me. That is amazing. For it to take me 45 minutes to do this, it's not good enough for me. So that's the deal. If you guys do want to try this out, if you feel like it could work well in your hair, I am going to have it linked down below so you can go and check it out. I've obviously heard amazing things from so many people, even people with curly hair, about this product. So maybe it's just me. But thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this little sort of random hair video. Happy Friday. I believe it's Friday for you right now, so I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Please let me know down below what your plans are for the weekend. I love when you guys fill me in on how you're doing, what you're up to. It just makes me really happy to have like a cute little relationship with you. So please let me know what your weekend plans are down below, and I will see you in my next video.